Preventing wildfires is crucial for the safety of both people and the environment. Here are 10 tips to help prevent wildfires. 1. Follow local regulations. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations regarding fire safety and outdoor burning. Always adhere to burn bans or restrictions in your area. 2. Maintain defensible space. Create a defensible space around your home by clearing away dead vegetation, leaves, and other flammable materials. Maintain a safe distance between trees and shrubs to prevent fire from spreading to your property. 3. Fire-resistant landscaping. Choose fire-resistant plants and materials for your landscaping. Replace highly flammable vegetation with less combustible options. 4. Clear gutters and roofs. Regularly clean your gutters and roof of leaves, pine needles, and other debris that can easily ignite from sparks or embers. 5. Safe campfires and BBQs. If allowed, use established fire pits or grills for cooking and campfires. Keep fires small, never leave them unattended, and have a water source nearby to extinguish them completely. 6. Proper disposal of yard waste. Avoid burning leaves or other yard waste on windy days. Compost or mulch yard waste whenever possible, and check for local disposal regulations. 7. Vehicle safety. Maintain your vehicle properly, especially if you drive off-road. Ensure your catalytic converter and exhaust system are in good condition, as hot exhaust components can start roadside fires. 8. Equipment maintenance. Keep equipment like lawnmowers, chainsaws, and vehicles in good working order. Sparks from poorly maintained equipment can ignite dry grass or brush. 9. Fireworks safety. If fireworks are legal in your area, use them with caution and follow all safety guidelines. Preferably, attend a professional fireworks display instead. 10. Report suspicious activity. If you see someone acting recklessly or suspiciously in a fire-prone area, report it to local authorities immediately. Early intervention can prevent intentional or accidental wildfires. Remember that preventing wildfires is everyone's responsibility. By taking these precautions and being vigilant, you can help protect your community and natural environments from the devastating effects of wildfires.